Welcome to Unfold Data Science, friends. My name is Aman and I am a data scientist. Many of you are asking me, Aman, many times I hear in the discussions something known as tailored solution. So many times experienced data scientists also talk in these words. So I also got some of the experienced data scientists in my channel, and this is one word they keep talking many times. So being a fresher, many of you are asking me, what is the meaning of a tailored solution, Aman, and what is the importance of this in data science? So in this video we are going to cover what is tailored solution, why all the experienced people are talking about it, and I will also give you an example of what is a tailored solution in real world. Okay, let's start one by one. So from the name, guys, tailored means something which is customized for a particular need. Okay, for example, if I go and I want to stitch a shirt for myself, then I'll go to the tailor and tailor will take my measurement and then stitch the shirt for me. Someone else's shirt, if I try to wear, then maybe the fitting will not be that good. Same meaning here. Okay, so in machine learning, data science, deep learning, there are many frameworks. Okay, there are many generic frameworks. When I call frameworks, nothing but a set of methods which we use to solve a problem. But those frameworks will exactly fit to any real business is very rare. Okay, and that is where we look for something known as tailored solution, something which fits to a business requirement exactly the way it solves the purpose. Okay, that is the meaning of a tailored solution. So the opposite of tailored solution is something in the business world known as out of shelf. Out of shelf means one prepared solution is there, you take it out and you deliver it to the business. So if that is the case and that solves the business purpose, we do not need a tailored solution. But most of the times in data science we need a tailored solution. Let me give you an example of what is this. Okay, so guys, suppose you are working on a chatbot problem. Okay, suppose you are working on a chatbot problem. Now I am taking a problem, so let me take example of a bank. Okay, I will just associate it with a business so that you will be able to relate. So chatbot for what? Chatbot for a bank. Okay, so what we are trying to do, we are trying to build a chatbot which will help customers so to solve their queries faster. Now you have a trained data. Okay, so you have a trained data. In the trained data you have some questions and some responses. Okay, so for this question this should be the response, for this question this should be the response. That is your training data, let us assume. Okay, now this is a NLP problem. Okay, whenever there is an NLP problem, we need to do some text pre-processing, correct? So let us take the simple example of something known as a tokenizer in Keras. Okay, so in Keras there is a module called, in pre-processing there is a module called tokenizer. Okay, what is the use of this module is it will take your vocab and give you a word index. So there are various methods which you call on the tokenizer, for example fit to text, matrix also you can convert. Inside that you can use a TF-IDF model, inside that you can use a frequency based model, something like that. Okay, so what it gives you is it gives you a word index. Okay, word index. Let me give you an example of what is a word index. Okay, so I am writing a sentence here, the cat sat on the mat. Okay, let us assume this is your text or this is your training data. What will happen is this tokenizer will create a word index where based on the frequency of words, all the word will be given one index. So the word which is occurring most number of times will be given the first index. In this case, what will be the first index, guys? THED or the, because it is occurring 2 times, highest times. Word index is 1. Another word, let us say cat, word index is 2. Okay, why I am giving you this example is, here this is the way in which tokenizer will work by default. But now let us try to understand how we tailor this solution. let us say in your chatbot training data, the data comes from different business areas. Okay, when I say different business areas, it can be, let's say, internet banking, it can be, let us say, online transfers, it can be, let us say, credit card payments, it can be other areas of bank. Okay, but from one area, let us assume that area is, for example, mutual funds. All the banks will have some mutual funds offerings, right? From this mutual fund area, you do not have enough training example. Let us assume. What will happen? Words related to mutual fund, for example, if you take just the word mutual, this word will not come in the word index, or it will be given very less priority. It will come at the bottom. Okay, and what will happen is, tomorrow when some mutual fund query comes, then our tokenizer or our word vector will not give that much importance to this, because the word is occurring towards the end. Why? Because in our training data, the examples are limited for mutual funds. How to tailor this solution? From our business understanding, we know this is an important word, correct? So what we can do is, we can modify this word index. Okay, so we can just come here and say, hey, from my understanding, I think mutual word should be under 20. So let me go ahead and see if under 20 something is not making much sense to me. I will replace that word with word mutual. So word mutual will become word number 18. For example, tomorrow when you are running this data on the prediction in the real world, mutual word you are forcibly fitting into the word index, and you are telling to the model, hey, this is an important word. Tomorrow if it comes, pick it and give it the weightage. And that is where you are tailoring the solution. And that is where, although you are using an inbuilt algorithm, although you are using a pre-processed framework, but you are tailoring your solution based on the business needs, based on your domain understanding, and it will suffice the business purpose. So this was a small example of what is the meaning of tailoring the solution. Very small example. It can be huge, it can be many, very vast, it can have many things in it. Okay, so this is about tailored solution, guys. And many of you are asking, and many experienced people talk about it. Okay, so if you hear the talks from good data scientists, you will hear this word. Let me know if you have any questions, any doubts on this, guys. This was just a small example. And please subscribe to the channel if you have not done yet. Please press the like button if you like this video. I'll see you all in the next video, guys. Till then, wherever you are, stay safe and take care.